Alright, I'm here with another layout. I did several. Most of these layouts are of I only did the one layout of my niece. The rest are my friend and one with her husband and her daughter. The rest are my friend's daughter. Anyway, so because I needed pictures that would go with summer and water and that sort of stuff. So the background is going to be patchwork cardstock. It's powder blue. Sunglass pattern is Dear Lizzie's Here and Now. Theo, he's such a pain. So I end up having to shut the camera off and then come back when he was satisfied, he got enough attention, and he left. So I'm going to use the glitter paper, and that is American Crafts. And of course I use a leaf layer pattern, which is Dear Lizzie's Here and Now, called High Five. And I use that tag from the basket. And the circle is cut from Dear Lizzie Here and Now, Carefree. Alright. So I was trying to also utilize things that were left over, because I got so much stuff left over from the kids. It's not even funny. So Christmas break usually is when I am able to do a lot of scrapbooking, and so I end up catching up on my kits and then go utilize my stash, start scrapbooking my stash. Anyway, so the die cuts are Hip Club Spring the Sunshine, Bring It On the Sunshine. Sequins are Pink Paisley's Fifth and Monaco. A is Pink Fresh Studio Let's Stay Home Puppy Alphabet stickers, and Fishy Trip is American Crafts A stickers. And I didn't do the title on camera, I did it later, as well as the sequins stuff I added. Anyway, that is all I have, and when I have more, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.